Alright boys, without any further ado, here is potentially your new E46 M3. So, I decided I'm gonna wrap the E46 M3 again today. What's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you guys that don't know, this is my E46 M3 that I'm giving away to one of you guys. Yes, you guys heard me right. I'm actually giving away the M3. The giveaway is already live right now on my site, projectmisable.shop. This is basically a way of me saying thank you to everyone that's been supporting me, supporting the channel, and of course, supporting my clothing brand. So about a month ago, I posted a little poll on my Instagram asking you guys what color I should wrap this car. And out of the 3 colors I gave you guys, I think it was blue, red, and McLaren orange, you guys picked this color. And not gonna lie, when you guys chose this color, I didn't think that this was gonna be the best choice, but since you guys wanted this color, I went ahead and wrapped it. But after the giveaway went live, some of you guys have been hitting me up asking me to rewrap this car another color because the orange is not it. And it's not just one of you guys that asked me that, it's a lot of you guys. So I just decided, you know what, let's go ahead and peel off all this wrap and rewrap it another color that's gonna make the car look a whole lot better. Because I don't know about you guys, but orange is not my favorite color. As you could tell, I got my red Corvette, my blue M4, and currently my mismatched color R34. Oh, and yeah guys, if you guys didn't know, I'm doing a full Z-Tune wide body kit on my R34 Skyline, so my whole garage is an absolute mess right now. So we won't be wrapping the car in my garage. We're actually gonna be pulling up to my buddy's house. He has an empty garage that he's letting me wrap in. Shout out to Chris. So that's where we're gonna be taking the car today. But this isn't just a normal wrap video. I'm gonna attempt to wrap this car in 24 hours. I leave for the Bahamas in 2 days for a 7-day vacation with my family. So I really want to get this thing done before I leave to the Bahamas. So for the next 24 hours, I'm just gonna grind it out and try to finish this wrap. But yeah, I already got everything loaded up in the car. We got all of our tools, our heat gun, microfibers, alcohol, and of course, our new wrap. So let's start up the car and head over to Chris's house and get this thing wrapped. Oh yeah, she sounds so good. Listen to this thing. We put on aftermarket headers and an exhaust in this car, so it sounds great, and I think we got a little bit more power out of it as well. Just listen to how good this sounds. She's a ripper. Alright boys, we just made it to Chris's garage. I'm not gonna lie, this might be the fattest one-car garage I've ever seen in my life. Like dude, tell me if I'm not wrong. This is a 1-car garage, not a 2, and it's this freaking big. Like, I'm pretty sure you could fit in 2 cars here if you really wanted to. You have all the space up front, all the space on the side, and in the back. Bro, he low-key found a gem of a house. This is freaking sick. All right, it's time to jump right into this. I want to get this done as soon as possible. So first thing we got to do is take off the orange wrap. And this is going to be like the soonest I've ever taken off any of my car wraps. I've wrapped like 10 cars by now, and they always stay on for at least like 6 months. It's been a month, and we're taking off the wrap. Dude, this is ridiculous. And about 2 hours later, we got this thing unwrapped. Don't worry about the little bits of orange. I'll take that off later on. But for now, I want to jump right into wrapping this car and show you guys the new color that you guys chose for the car. Hey, but not gonna lie, this is the first time I've seen the silver with the top down. And it's kind of clean, dude. What you guys think? Should we have kept this thing silver? Oh my God. Silver with the silver wheels? Well, if you guys decide that you guys like the silver more, you guys can always take off the wrap and boom, you got fresh silver paint right there. So the color that you guys chose for me to wrap the M3, boom, we got gloss Imola red. Oh yeah, this color is about to be fire. So out of all the colors I let you guys choose from, you guys chose this gloss Imola red. This is super similar to the OEM red color on the E46 M3. And not gonna lie, I think this is gonna look super sick on the M3. Because when I think of an E46 M3, this is the color that I envision in my head. So I have a feeling that this red is gonna look way better than the orange. So let's start out with my favorite part to wrap on the entire car, the fenders. quick update for you guys. We are making really good time. It's been 6 hours and we've done a lot. I got the hood wrapped, fenders, door, quarter panel, and I got this quarter panel all done in 6 hours. So we're officially at the halfway point and I still have 18 hours to go. I think I might end up just pulling an all-nighter today and try to get this done with. But sadly, my camera is at like 2% right now, so I gotta put you guys down, let it charge, and I'm gonna bust out as much as I can, so I'll check back in with you guys when the camera is done charging. That's the bad thing about not working on my car at home. If I was at home, I definitely would have spare batteries, but since I'm here, I gotta make do with whatever I have. But yeah, boys, she's starting to look so freaking good. Look at that. Don't mind the little McDonald's action right now, but just imagine this car fully red. It's gonna look so sick. Hello, doggies. It's now hour 10, 11, and Cheryl brought the doggies. Meet Kirby if you guys haven't met her yet. This one's name's Yoshi. Corgi with the freaking tail, bro. When have you guys seen that? We got a Corgi with the tail, and where's the nubbers? And here's Mrs. Nubbers. Corgi with a little nub at the end. Can you guys see the difference? All right, come on, let's go. Come on. Are you scared with poop? Say hello to my little friend.
No.
Come here, come here. Okay. Dude, I've never shot a fire extinguisher before. It's kind of fun. Is this just CO2?
Yeah, CO2.
You're telling me this doesn't cause any damage?
No, they're just
Really?
cold. My neighbor's gonna kill me.
Okay, that's enough fun. Dude, this is pretty sick. You have an extra one?
Yeah.
I'm about to put it in my car. Hey, whoever wins this car gets a free fire extinguisher.
Yep, I put a new fire extinguisher for you.
Oh, dude, this car is starting to look so sick. Look at this. I can't believe in less than like 12 hours, we got this much done. So I'm 100% certain now that we're gonna finish before the 24-hour mark. Hey, shout out to Chris. You guys haven't met him yet, but this is his house. He's the one that's letting me wrap my car in here. And without him, this wouldn't have been possible because the Skyline is in my garage, dusty as hell. There's dust all over the floor and I can't drive that outside either because all the body work's on it. I don't want to mess it up. Chris was nice enough to let me use his garage. All right, boys, it is now 2:23 in the morning. It's like hour 12 now, so I think we made enough progress to where I can take a break, pause on my 24-hour timer, go home, get some rest. Dude, my thumbs are fried from wrapping. Like, I think I burnt myself a few times, and my knees are cooked. I just found out today I'm getting old, because usually this doesn't happen, but I could barely walk right now. My knees are, like, wobbling.
I have knee pads.
I low-key might need the knee pads tomorrow. But I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. We got way more done than I expected. Look at this. We just wrapped up the A-pillars as well. That's color match. Everything on the car is color match besides the side skirts and the bumpers. We even got this part of the convertible top wrapped. So tomorrow, we just have to wrap the bumpers and the miscellaneous stuff like the door handles and the molding. And then we'll be done with this car. If I were to guess right now, I think we'll be done on hour 20. We still have 12 more hours of the 24-hour challenge. So I think we're about to clear, boys. The Bahamas is gonna feel a lot better with this car done. All right, boys, I'll see you tomorrow morning. After a good night of sleep and like 4 Advils and a bunch of melatonin, your boy is back and we're about to get this M3 done today. Yesterday was easy because wrapping this car isn't that hard because there's not a lot of curves and edges. But today's about to be freaking hell. We have this front bumper to wrap, which you guys can see already. There's a bunch of curves on the sides. There's a whole bunch of inlays we have to lay down. Side skirts are gonna be super easy because these are just flat. And the rear bumper is gonna be hard as well just because it has this aggressive turn right here. So we're probably gonna have to 2 or 3 piece this because we also have that diffuser on the bottom that we have to take care of. So let's go ahead and grind this out and finish the E46, baby. guys, I am so freaking beat. I deadass have been grinding for hours. It's 5 in the morning right now. So we got both front and rear bumpers all wrapped. The entire body is now wrapped. I've literally just been sitting in the car watching movies while wrapping the small little trim pieces. So the only thing left to do is I think wrap the trim up by the headlights right here, and we should be finished. I cannot believe we did this in basically like 24 hours. I think we're on hour 19 right now and we're about to be done. I'm not gonna end up wrapping the door handles because I think I'm gonna spray them black just to match the mirrors and match the black trims and everything. So let me go ahead and bang out the last few pieces of the trim, and then I think I'm gonna go home, sleep for like 2-3 hours, and then come back here and assemble everything back together. Good morning, guys. It is now the next day. My flight is legit in 3 hours and I'm here. The car isn't done. My body is defeated. Dude, last night when I went home, I started like hallucinating. I swear, I was so freaking tired. Went home, forgot to even set an alarm, so I woke up too late. And boys, I don't think we'll be able to finish this today. I know, dude. Why did I have to take that break yesterday? If I didn't go home and sleep the other day, this car would have been done. There's probably like 2 hours of work left on this car, but I think I'm just not going to stress about it. I'll get back to it when I'm back from the Bahamas and just try to enjoy the trip. So for now, I have to clean up Chris's garage because I don't want to leave it looking like this for a whole entire week. Dude, it looked like a hurricane came in here and just blew through the whole thing. And I have to assemble the E46 so I can drive it back home, store it in my garage, and then we'll come back to Chris's whenever I'm back from the Bahamas, and then we'll dial this thing in. The one thing I learned from working on cars all these years is to never rush. And if something's not going to get done, just take your time on it, because whenever you rush, it always ends up looking bad, and you'll redo it like 99% of the time. Alright, Chris, I'll see you back here in about a week. We got the car somewhat assembled with zip ties. Hopefully I get home in one piece. But boys, I think it's time to go on vacation. I'll pick this back up when I'm back in town. But dude, just look how good this thing looks. Red was definitely the move. Alright boys, fast forward about a week, your boy is finally back from the Bahamas. I'm back from the vacation. But boys, I flew back yesterday and I started grinding right away on the E46. We finished wrapping the entire car and y'all, it looks so freaking sick. Dude, just look at it. Oh my god, it looks so freaking good. When I think of an E46 M3, this is exactly how I envision it. Red on some silver wheels. OEM plus, not too over the top. Let me just give you guys a quick 360 of the car, dude. The red it kills it. It looks so good on the car. And don't worry about the silver diffuser. The reason why I didn't wrap the diffuser down there is because I'm debating on tossing on a carbon fiber diffuser for you guys. So I don't want to wrap this diffuser to just pull it off and slap on the carbon one. But y'all, just look at it. Oh my god, it's so sick. Before we go ahead and take some videos, photos, and some rollers of this car, because I have yet to see this thing rolling, let's go ahead and install on the next mod. You guys are going to absolutely love this mod. Now inside this box is something I always do on every single one of my car that absolutely changes how it looks, how it feels, and how it drives. Let's see if you guys can guess what it is. Here's a little hint. It's by AZA Auto Wheels. And yes guys, this is an aftermarket steering wheel for the M3. And the best part about this, it's fully custom. I picked every single thing about this steering wheel. In 3, 2, 1. Boom, look at how beautiful this thing is. We got the carbon fiber up top, carbon fiber down here and all around, and we got the Alcantara with the updated bolstering on the sides, dude. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous and it feels amazing as well compared to the stock one. It's just plain, it's just leather, there's barely any bolstering, and we got this cheap plastic in the middle. So we're saying goodbye to that wheel and we're gonna slap on this wheel today. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. And there we go, boys. Just like that, we got the new wheel on. Here's a look at the before, the after, the before, the after. Yeah, this is definitely going in the trash. And if you guys haven't driven a car with this D-shaped steering wheel and the bolstering before, you absolutely need to. It feels so freaking nice. It's kind of hard to explain, but when you're driving it, it gives that placebo of the car handling so much better. Like, it's super hard to explain. You just got to go out and drive it and try it out for the first time. It's literally a game changer. Once I got my first ones, every single one of my cars after needed to have one. All right, boys, without any further ado, here is potentially your new E46 M3.
I wanted to know what it's like to drive down Sunset Boulevard with you. And I just want to take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer nights. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to move. Take a look at all the shining lights. Nothing beats that view. Will you meet me on the floor tonight? And it's California. I couldn't have warned you, baby. Ooh, yeah, this place just makes you.
Y'all, this site is unreal right now. We got the sunset going down. We got the drop top M3 right in front of us. Dude, this is the perfect summer vibes. I'm honestly so hyped to hand over the keys and the title to one of you guys and see you guys enjoy the car as much as I am right now. Cause man, this thing is freaking beautiful. And if you guys haven't entered the giveaway yet, make sure to go enter before it's too late. The giveaway officially ends at the end of the month, so make sure to go get your entries right now. Every $5 spent gets you one entry to winning the M3. So head to projectmistable.shop and check out my clothing brands. We have t-shirts, hoodies, zip-ups. We're dropping sweatpants and mechanic shirts at the end of the month, so stay tuned for that. Everything is super limited, and the best thing about my giveaway is every single piece of my clothing is limited, so once it sells out, it sells out. It's not like other companies where we do unlimited restock, so if you guys are looking to win a car, this is probably the best chance you guys have on any sweepstakes. And let me know within the next 2 weeks, what kind of mods would you guys like to see me do on the E46? We still have a lot of stuff to do, but I'm just curious on what else you guys would like to see. And don't say nothing crazy like a wide body kit or a turbo kit. I only have 2 weeks left with the car, so definitely not enough time to do anything major. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this video proves to you that you can wrap a car in just 24 hours if you try. Good luck to everyone on the giveaway. Whoever ends up winning this car, I'll fly you out here, get you a hotel, and we'll probably throw a meet for you guys. I'll show you around Seattle and everything, and give you guys a whole day here to enjoy the E46 with me. All right, y'all, until next time, peace out.